Hey guys, this is QuickLearn, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix any error logins or interruptions when you're watching on YouTube. This video will be really simple, so make sure to watch it until the end. First of all, make sure that you have a good internet connection and that it's working properly. There are two ways you can fix this. First is by updating the YouTube app. So to do that, let's go to the App Store and search for YouTube. Once you tap on the YouTube app, if it says update, then that means it's outdated and you have to tap on update. But if it says open, then you're good to go. And the second way to fix it is by going to settings, general, iPhone storage, and scroll down until you can find YouTube. Here. So just tap on that and tap on offload app. After you do that, it will restart your app, it will clear all the cache, it will clear all the bugs and viruses that may be causing your lag. And once you offload it, you can tap on it again, so it will refresh the app basically. And that's how you can fix it. If this video helped you solve your problem, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.